Lucky says he would like to get on this action. Don't eat the duck!
Careful. That looks like a fine little couple to me. This is the kind of love.
Нюхает котик. Are you sharing your love? Oh, Cody's getting a little love. Snoopy, are you trying to be friends with him? What do I do? Quicky, run! No!
Yes, I am hopeful for today.
Am I fucking tripping or is that a fucking zebra? Yay! It's a fucking zebra!
Oh my god, what is that?